is that?
Bow.
Bows? Do they go in your hair? Those are pretty. What else did you get? What else did you get?
Towel.
What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a cute purse.
I see that purse.
I see it.
See that phone?
See the phone? Yeah.
I will talk.
Who are you calling?
Hi, this is Mina. Yeah, okay, yeah, baby. Bye-bye. Bye.
You're silly. Come show me what else you got. What is this right here? Pick it up and show me.
No, take it back. Take it back.
Take it back? Okay, open this other present. You got 3 more presents.